Real number. What given 1 minus omega plus omega square whole square. 1 plus omega minus omega whole square. 1 plus omega minus omega square minus twice omega. 1 plus omega square minus twice omega square. This is therefore 1 plus omega square equals 0. 0 minus 2 omega whole square 0 to omega square whole square. 4 omega square 4 omega 4 to the 4. 4 omega square 4 omega give omega. 4 omega square 4 omega. 4 plus 4 omega square minus 4. 4 into 0 minus 4. Was this realized? This is studied profoundly. Thank you very much, all of your progressive minds. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. Please subscribe me. All of your progressive minds, human being, please subscribe. Was this realized?